Built in 1892, this is a true Victorian home. Beautifully updated, it retains many of the original features of the home, including hardwood, wide baseboards, wainscoting, beadboard and French doors from the foyer to the parlor. This 4-bedroom 2-bath home has been updated with new electrical and new plumbing. The home sits on approximately 1/2 acre on a corner lot, all in a fabulous location close to other historical homes. It has thermal pane windows, vinyl siding and a covered porch. On the rear of the home you find a patio area with a door leading into the laundry mudroom. The door on the left leads into the oversized garage. This spacious yard has scattered trees and is beautifully landscaped. The home is 2-story with an attic space that could be converted for storage or even a family room or rec room. The covered front porch is spacious and will be a nice spot for a couple of rocking chairs. Enter the home into a piece of history. With original hardwood, trims and moldings, this is a very nice home. The French doors on the right lead into the living room, or as it was called back when the home was built, the parlor. On the main floor you find a spacious living room with hardwood floor, brick wood burning fireplace, ceiling fan and several windows. Tall windows and tall ceilings make this room seem even larger than it really is. Oak whitewashed cabinets give this kitchen a lot of storage. Notice the corner cabinet with its perfect hiding place for your small kitchen appliances. Another custom feature is the plate rack over the sink. The appliances include an electric range, exhaust fan, dishwasher, food disposal and refrigerator. Notice the door to the left of the sink. That leads to the large laundry room. A large built-in pantry cabinet includes storage in the doors plus additional storage in the turntable inside. With storage galore, lots of light and lots of counter space for folding clothes, this is a wonderful laundry room. Another view shows the area for the washer and dryer. To the left is a door leading to the patio and backyard, and on the right are hooks for your coats and other items. The master bedroom is on the main floor while the other bedrooms are upstairs. This room includes a lot of built-in storage cabinets and shelves. Notice the sconces on the wall. Don't they remind you of the 1800s? This is the bathroom on the main floor. It includes a shower and single sink vanity. The carpeted stairs lead to the second floor where you find 3 bedrooms and a bath. Notice the original wood and trim going up the stairs and throughout the house. Located on the second floor is the second bedroom in the house. It has carpet flooring and a ceiling fan. The home is cooled with window units but could be converted to central air if you wanted to. Bedroom 3 is much like the second bedroom with bright windows, a ceiling fan and carpet flooring. The upstairs bathroom includes a tub and shower combo and single sink vanity.